Hello future millionaire and welcome to our video. To achieve goals, the secret is good management. The beginning of the year is the ideal time to set goals and make plans. With finances, it shouldn't be any different. By changing behaviors, it may be possible to achieve short-term goals dynamically and without major sacrifices. The secret is good management. To get there, the most essential way is to plan finances throughout the year. Planning must predict when debts run out to find the margin for investments that may not have appeared in 2022. Leave your like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss other incredible tips like this one. Check out 3 tips to optimize your management below. 1. The past is a good guide to the future. Analyze the 2021 financial situation. Look, with time and a good investigation, for gaps and waste created in the budget in the past year. Evaluating financial behavior can be liberating. In addition to helping you value your money, it also helps with new decisions. If the year started with a lot of debt, the goal should be to pay them off. You need to start organizing your finances in order to progress. 2. From now on, a percentage of 5% of your salary will be saved. If you don't save money for any emergencies, you need to start the habit now. Take this small savings as an account and strive to meet the obligation. Most of the time, this amount is spent without any control. Save to have. 3. The goal is to make the money left over. It's no use creating plans to organize expenses if you don't plan your future with financial independence. To achieve the feat, you need to learn to control spending. After analyzing your financial life and committing to paying off debts and the basic percentage of savings, it's time to cut expenses. When paying off a debt that you consider low, start thinking about paying off others to raise an amount, instead of feeding the mindset that you can already spend more. And finally, when you pay off all the debts you've incurred, you'll have money in hand to make your dreams come true. Ensure a quality 2023. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Share this video with people who need this type of content. Don't forget to leave your like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our tips on how to get rich in 2023.